everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic that can make all the difference in your job search, crafting a stunning resume. But let's face it, traditional resumes can feel a bit bland. Fear not, job seekers. We're here to show you how to create a visually impressive resume using SlideUpLift's PowerPoint templates. You might be surprised, but SlideUpLift offers a treasure trove of pre-designed layouts perfect for building a resume. These templates provide a strong foundation with clear sections, professional fonts, and eye-catching graphics. They save you time and ensure a polished look, even if you're not a design whiz. Finding the perfect template. All right, let's find your dream template. Head over to SlideUpLift and type resume in the search bar. Don't be afraid to experiment. Choose a template that reflects your personality and the job you're applying for. A creative or design-focused role might benefit from a more modern infographic-style template, while a legal position might call for a more classic layout. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to personalize it. Replace the placeholder text with your information. Here's a breakdown of what to include. Contact information, name, email, phone number, and optional LinkedIn profile link. Summary. A brief, attention-grabbing statement highlighting your skills and career goals. Work experience. List your past jobs in reverse chronological order, including company names, job titles, dates of employment, and key accomplishments. Education. List your degrees, diplomas, and relevant coursework. Skills. Showcase your hard and soft skills using bullet points or keyword lists. Focus on achievements, not just responsibilities. Use action verbs and quantifiable results to make your experience stand out. Now, let's elevate your resume with some design tweaks. Here's how to make your PowerPoint resume shine. Fonts. Stick to professional fonts like Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman. Consistency is key. Colors. Choose a color palette that complements the template and reflects your personal brand or the industry you're targeting. Icons, graphics. Use icons and graphics sparingly to visually highlight specific skills or achievements, but be mindful, avoid overwhelming the reader. Pro tip. Proofread. Typos and grammatical errors can be a major turnoff for hiring managers. Double-check everything before saving your final resume. And there you have it. With these tips and free PowerPoint templates, you can create a resume that gets noticed and lands you that dream job interview.